Bless you. Thank you.
Space wants to start the music.
Hi children, and welcome to the next Monday morning assembly. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a good weekend. I think the weather is going to be lovely, or has been lovely. So hopefully you've got out and had some nice walks. So let's look, thinking back. There's been some amazing learning online this week. I've looked at loads of fantastic pictures of learning that have been going on. I've been in some live lessons and they've been amazing. So well done all of you for all that you've done this week. Thinking back also, prizes and certificates were delivered to the Learning to Learns last week. So I hope you all enjoyed the change to an ice cream, but there we are. I hope you enjoyed that. And also everyone had a chance last week to see their friends with a live catch up. So that was nice that most of you managed to get online to see each other live, which is a really lovely thing to do. So thinking ahead, what a lovely thought to aim for, all being together again next week. Fingers crossed, as your mums or dads may have told you, we're hoping that we'll be back at school for next Monday. What we need to do in the meantime is just make sure we all follow Fair, Respect, Safe to make sure there's no more cases between now and Monday, and then we'll all be back at school next week. Another thing thinking ahead is this week we're starting something different, a Wellbeing Wednesday. So this is for Wednesday afternoon. If you can, just down tools, shut your laptops and do something completely different. I know there's a lot of children who've been doing baking at school or making things or going out in the garden or just doing maybe playing a game. I don't know, doing something completely different. Our Wellbeing Wednesday. Do something that you've wanted to do for a while, and this is your opportunity to do it. We're going to be doing it here, and I'm certainly going to be doing it. So let's have a look at birthdays this week. And it's happy birthday this week to Harrison, who was 11, and Theo. Theo was 8. I can't read my own writing there. Theo, who was 8. Hope you both had an absolutely super birthday. I'm sure you did. Are we ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Harrison and Theo. Happy birthday to you. I think we're going to find those numbers quite easy to add up. What did you get to? 11 plus 8. I do 10 plus 1 plus 8. Yes, I'm sure loads of you have got it. 19. Well done if you did. As I said, there's been some amazing learning going on online this week. I'm so proud of you for what you've been doing. So let's see who the teachers have chosen this week to get the L2L. I know there's a few of them have been mentioning thinking moves in theirs this week, so let's see. In reception, we have Reuben for incredible improvement in his handwriting and number formation. And I know Mr. Ledger said, I think he's been helped an awful lot by his mummy and daddy to do this. So well done, and thank you to both of you as well. So when you get your treat, Reuben, make sure you share it. Well done, Reuben. Year 1, and year 1 is Jensen. And Miss Carter was so thrilled. She said he was constantly pushing himself with challenging and persevering. So well done, Jensen. It's really lovely to see you pushing yourself. Year 2 is Carter. And I've seen a lot of I was on live with year 2 the other day, and I saw how much Carter was enjoying his learning. So he's been sharing his ideas really effectively, and for a lovely contribution to our whole class poem. I'm going to hope that whole class poem goes on the wall at school, because it is absolutely lovely. You did so well, all of year 2, but especially Carter, some fantastic ideas. So well done, Carter. Year 3 is Austin. For consistent, that means all the time you've been putting detail and high standards of work and a really positive mindset. I love that sort of can-do attitude. Yes, I can do it, and I'm going to do it, and with a smile on your face as well, I'm sure. So well done, Austin. Let's look at year 4. Year 4 is Luca. And for his enthusiasm to complete things and challenging himself with distance learning. That's probably not just satisfied with doing the least you can do, always pushing yourself to go that one step further. So well done, Luca. Year 5 this week is Kieran. And Kieran's been noted by Mrs. Boylan and Miss Rutter for taking feedback. And that's quite a hard thing to do sometimes, Kieran, isn't it? To take the feedback, not just read it, but he's been using it. And he's been using it to edit and then resubmit his assignments. And he's been showing great enjoyment for his learning every day. So well done, Kieran. That's a really good quality to have. And the final one is year 6, is Alessia. And she has been justifying and weighing up her reasons in the Would You Rather challenge. That's a really, I love that weighing up, that sort of working out, it's almost questioning yourself, isn't it? Weighing up where you stand on something. So well done, Alessia. So all those people, there will be something delivered to your house. Last week I didn't ring on the doorbell, because it was quite early in the morning when I delivered. So do look outside your front doors on Tuesday to make sure that you're finding what's there, in case it was raining like it was last week. And the other thing we ask you to do, if you wouldn't mind, is taking a picture of yourself with your certificate, and then we can post them on our website. So thank you for that, and well done, all of you. Okay, thinking moves. And certainly Alessia has been using a couple of these. And so over to Mr. Ledger for his Thinking Moves Memory Challenge.
Right, good morning. Let's try some thinking moves first of all, see which ones you can remember. Are you ready? Maintain. Connect. Negate. Zoom in, zoom out. Test. Weigh up. Now, today we're going to focus on connect. Really simple, really quick game for you to play at home. I've put a picture up here for you to look at. It doesn't have to be this picture. You can make your own set of this at home with anything you've got. But basically, looking at the items here, what connections could you make? So, I might say that the face mask and the hand sanitizer are connected because we've had to use both of them quite a lot recently. Or I might say the necklace and the hairbrush are both things that you might find on a dressing table. So what connections can you make? You could use this picture, or you could collect some things in your own home and challenge the other people in your house to make connections with you.
sure you carry on with fair, respect, safe. And if we do that, fingers crossed we'll all be back on Monday. Just can't wait to see you. Do you know what I really miss? Is our music in the morning and our music at the end of the day. That means so much to me. I just love it when I hear that music and see you all in the yard. So with a bit of luck, we'll have that going again on Monday. So finally, let's all enjoy the time you have, the continued time at home. Make sure you do Wellbeing Wednesday. We can do this one more week and we'll all be back in, and it'll be business as usual with a bit of luck next Monday. So take care, enjoy all the things you're going to get up to this week. Make sure you go on to those online lessons that the teachers are doing because they're great. Take care, look after yourself. Bye.